Hey guys, in this video we will learn how to make cabinet with curve frame. Alright, so this is what we are going to draw today, a cabinet with a curve frame and with two drawers. Alright, let's get started. So firstly, go into your customization function and then click on kitchen cabinet. Alright, so we are going to use superboard. So as you can see, I already have two superboards. Okay, so this would be my back panel. Okay, so I just drag out the superboard and just resize them. Okay, and this would be my cabinet. Okay, so how do we create our cabinet? Okay, so resize them. Okay, I'm gonna resize my width to 1100 and my depth to 1200. Okay, and for the height I'm gonna give it 500 for my height. Alright, so once I'm done resizing them, okay, I click on B, board selection mode, and I'm going to panel point editing. Okay, I'm gonna make the curve shape. But before that, I'm going to open a hole first. Okay, so click on the rectangle function, open a hole in the middle. Okay, once you're done having a hole right now, click on the edge. Okay, this small little circle, outer fillet. Alright, so repeat for all four sides. Okay, so once you're done, as you can see over here, save it and return. Okay, so basically I have my cabinet already. Alright, so I'm gonna do the same thing for my back panel. Click on B, right click, panel point editing. Okay, I'm gonna change the four edges. Okay, I'm gonna change it to an outer fillet. So click on to the circle. Okay, and select outer fillet. Alright, okay, same thing. Once I'm done, click on save and return. Okay, so now I will rotate my cabinet. Okay, rotate it 90 degrees, press Z to drag it up. Okay, so over here I'm gonna put 1000 for my elevation. Okay, and then just adjust them according. Okay, so I'm gonna put 20. Okay, because my back panel is already 20. Okay, so I'm gonna just stick it onto my back panel. Alright, okay, so once I'm done adjusting the placing, alright, so the next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to drag another panel out. Okay, so I'm going to resize this to 1000. Okay, I'm going to put the elevation to 1300. Alright, and then next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to just adjust it accordingly. Alright, so my depth I'm going to change it to 500. Drag it out a little bit. I'm going to change to 20. Okay, so once I'm done right now, I can actually put in my drawers. So in order to put in your drawers, come right here. Alright, drawer cabinet. Okay, scroll all the way down, and as you can see that there's one drawer. Okay, so just drag it out. Okay, and then resize it. I'm going to resize to 500, and for my height I'm going to resize it to 250. Okay, and then this one I'm going to make it 1100 for my elevation. Okay, so adjust it, click on Z to just drag it. Alright, so for my depth I'm gonna put it 500. Okay, build in. Okay, so I already have one drawer done. I can always just click on my drawer and click on Ctrl V to paste, copy and paste. Alright, so I'm pretty much done with the cabinet with a curved frame. So now I can click on the back panel and change my materials. Okay, I'm gonna change it to a glass material. Okay, I'm gonna choose this red color. Alright, so next thing, when I'm done completing my cabinet, I can hold on to my control and group them all together by pressing Ctrl G, favorite them. Okay, and click on confirm. So the next thing I can do is I can move the entire cabinet, customize cabinet. Alright, okay guys, so this is how to make cabinet with curved frame. Good luck trying, guys.